Alright, here's a little before, during, and after. The steering wheel. Just do that half of it, Rob, and then wipe that dry. Stop for a second. Alright, so that's not even done yet, but just look at that compared to that. Which would you prefer? That or that? Alright, you can keep going. What's that?
Old one.
Old one? New one. You want the old one?
I don't like new one.
You like original?
I like old.
You like original. You OG.
Takes the originality out of it.
Original greasy. OG.
That's a lot of dirty hands.
That's a lot. What condition is your boat in? Excellent.
A little slippery.
That's what happens when you make it clean. So slippery.
Careful in the area.
That's right. First rule of detailing,
Like crossing the street.
you don't talk about detailing. No, just kidding.
Hey, don't
First
do it when you're doing it.
Right.
When you do something wrong. Right? No, don't do it.
don't do this. Now, first rule of detailing is don't break shit,
I remember
right?
the first time you showed me high speed, you ripped the license plate off that one car, remember? You're like, no, don't.
Let's not put
hit
that
things.
in the video.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it was my car in the garage in Spanaway, that purple thing.
Barney
Yeah, it was that purple car I bought at the auction.
Rider, dude. That was a good car. I like that color.
It was a great car. After I polished it, it was phenomenal.
Yeah,
Remember before how
yeah.
crappy it looked?
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah,
Like a new paint job.
yeah, I remember that car. It was in my house in Spanaway. All right, and there you go, brand Nubian.
Wow. Just got from Amazon.
3 hours later. Multi-pass polishing. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.